The chess game you see me playing right now was built entirely on my phone using agentic coding, without writing a single line of code and without spending a dime, all thanks to OpenClaude. I installed this on my phone and it runs like an absolute dream. If I hook my phone up to a wireless mouse and keyboard, it basically turns into a full computer setup. Since it runs natively on my phone, I can carry my entire development environment anywhere I go. Using this setup, I can build pretty much any project I can think of. This is an incredibly powerful AI coding agent, very similar to Anthropic's Claude Code, because it's built as an open source alternative to it. And the best part is that it is completely open source. What makes it even better is that you don't need a budget to get started and run it. With vibe coding, you can create all kinds of projects and websites, even if you have absolutely zero technical background, because the agent handles all the heavy lifting automatically. All you have to do is give it instructions in plain English. You can run this software smoothly on your phone and your PC. Honestly, the experience is so seamless you won't even notice whether you're using Anthropic's official Claude or running this open source OpenClaude framework. Let me show you a quick example of how I use this AI agent to build a full expense tracker web app from scratch. Look at the output. It generated incredibly clean, professional code. If I had to sit down and write this manually, it would have taken forever, and there is no way I could have structured it this well on my own. It automatically organized all the code files into separate modules, exactly how a senior software engineer would structure a production app. By the way, I'll drop the link to this project repository in the description below, so you can check out the source code yourself if you're curious. For now, let's take a look under the hood at what's actually inside these files, then see the installation. Look at this. It built an outstanding expense tracking website, exactly as I was prompted. We can log new expenses, analyze my previous expenses, set budget for specific expense category. This is an exceptional open source agent that you can run on your phone or your desktop layout. Let's dive into the step-by-step installation, starting with the mobile setup and then moving to the PC configuration. I've included timestamps below, so if you want to skip the mobile part, you can jump straight to the PC setup section. To install this on your phone, you'll need the Termux app. I've left the download link in the description below, so grab it from there. After that, open up the repository link, which is also down in the description. Head over to the Android section of the repository, find the online installation script command, and copy it to your clipboard. Now, paste that command directly into your Termux terminal and hit enter. This script will automatically update your system packages and handle the OpenClaude installation for you. Just give it a moment to pull everything down and finish the process. Once the installation wraps up, type OpenClaude into Termux and execute it. This command will launch the OpenClaude interface right on your device. After it launches, press enter to start the initialization and configuration process. Next, you'll see a prompt asking you to configure your provider setup. Use your arrow keys to scroll down to the third option, labeled Third-Party Platform, and hit enter. From there, zoom out on your Termux screen a bit so you can see all the options clearly. Navigate down to the option called Gitlawb Open Gateway Free, select it, and press enter. On the next screen, select the MIMO V2 Pro model, press enter, and then hit enter one more time to finish up. Just like that, your OpenClaude agent is fully configured and ready to go, meaning you can start building whatever software you want. Now, let's switch over and get this exact same environment running on your PC. To start, open up your browser and head back to the same repository page. Scroll down a bit until you see the setup prerequisites. You'll see a download button for Node.js. If you already have Node.js installed on your system, you are good to go. If not, click that button, download the installer for your computer, and run through the standard installation wizard. I already have it configured on my machine, so I'll skip the install step here. Head back over to the repository page, copy the global npm installation command for OpenClaude. Next, open up a command prompt window on your operating system. Paste the installation command into your CMD terminal and run it. This will install the OpenClaude CLI packages globally on your PC, so just let it run until it finishes. Once that is done, type OpenClaude into your command prompt and press enter to boot up the application. Now, we just need to mirror the provider setup we did on the mobile app. Since my profile was already configured, let me reset it to show you the exact steps. Type /provider into the interface. Select the Add Provider option from the menu. Scroll down until you see Gitlawb Open Gateway Free and select it. Hit Enter to select the MIMO V2 Pro model and keep pressing Enter through the remaining defaults until the configuration saves. Now, your environment is fully ready on your PC. You can use this workflow to build all sorts of applications, whether it's a project for college or building software for freelancing clients. You can just pick up your laptop or phone and start taking advantage of agentic coding. That wraps it up for today's video. I hope this guide helps you get the agent up and running seamlessly. If it did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more technical tutorials. If you run into any dependency errors or issues during the installation, drop a comment down below and I will do my best to help you troubleshoot. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.